Hi guys, we've just analyzed our old script to install Qemu, and we've seen that with this it seems to work. The Qemu, we use Virtual Manager, this one, as a graphical front end. We could have used boxes, and I probably will in the future, but the things that I used to run or type or write part of the script is no longer, and I'm gonna experiment if I need it. So basically this is all I do now for Qemu, and let's do an installation now. So super D Virtual Manager is installed, so we start it up, and then we say authenticate. I've already done 2 tests in the previous video. Let's start again. Don't ask me again. Yes. So delete everything. No, keep that one. Delete. So plus, I'm not, first of all, I'm not a specialist, right? I'm always using VirtualBox, so this is for me a test, right? I never clicked on this one. Okay, that's cool. So I want to have an ISO, or I have an ISO, the Arch ISO, of course. Browse local, projects, Arch Linux. There are so many things based on Arch and not on Arch Linux Mint. So choose one, and I create my own ISOs like this one from November 26th, 29th. Made a video about these, comparison and melt between these two guys. It's just versions, right? That's it. Okay, open Arch Linux, automatically detect, sure, forward. Memory 31, 8 is enough for him. 16, I say 8 is enough for you. Forward 20. If you're gonna install Plasma, I take a little bit higher than 20. 30, not gonna install Plasma. Well, I could. Well, I will. Yeah, I will. Forward. Customize configuration before install. Do that because of the fact that BIOS is so old, right? Just take a new one. With UEFI, I have no clue what all this is, right? Have a look. Look around. And that's it. That's all I will change. There is more. First apply, I guess, and then there's more things to change maybe here if you decide to to change it again or something. Virtual disk, SATA. The things I've been played with in the past is this one, figuring out which one is the best, or well, I don't think it was this thing, right? Decide which one would suit me best. Is that particular video or virtual? The rest, I guess, if it's important for you, you go install it. Cancel installation, begin installation. Yeah, begin installation. Huh? This one goes to my second screen. Bye. So we have everything here. We put up Arch. Here's the button to make everything full screen. I'm gonna keep it like this. And then of course it's the same thing always. I am working on this, which does not suit me. So I'm gonna say load keys BE Latin 1. And the 1 is not working, but now it is. Numlock key. And just to have a look if I have Arch install. Now I have Arch install, just looking if I have internet. Nothing changed. Arch install advanced. And it's another video, right? But also a test. Oh yeah, it's a minus extra, that one, extra, double minus advanced. Often it's the case in these applications. Locale /BE, and then back, mirrors, select mirrors, Sweden, voila, back, this configuration, make your life simple, right? follow the simple settings, bootloader, systemd, boot, host name, whatever, authentication. Hi, that's the password for root. Add the user. Voila, yes, I'm super user, and we confirm and we exit. Profile is often the same. So by just to change things up, not Xfce, let's go to KDE Plasma, graphics driver, just keep the same. Do this, do exactly this in VirtualBox, by the way. So I'm testing that as well. Greeter SDM. It did it by default. Why? Because I chose Plasma. Normally I need to go in there and change it if I choose Xfce. Applications, Bluetooth, sure. Let's pretend we're on a real hardware, kernels and all that, blah blah. Yep, parallel downloads. Most important thing, 30. Time zone, Brussels. And that's it. Let's see if we can install an operating system inside Qemu. Starting device, and off it goes. Time sync, mirror selection, keyring. And that's why we use advanced, so we can have parallel downloads. And the smaller the file, of course, the faster it gets. Feels like it flashes by. Flash. Savior of the universe. To all the younger people, Google it. So that's blues, meaning Bluetooth. Sound, we've chosen the extras and the extra bits that normally on the virtual machines you don't care about. It's not intended as a real metal machine, eh? It's a virtual machine. Now Plasma is a bit bigger. Is this already Plasma? Yeah, Power Devil. So Power, I see Arc. Those are all applications inside Plasma. The package Plasma. Sudo pacman -s Plasma. There's also a meta package, I believe. So choose. Always this case in Linux. Choose. Done. How fast is that? Reboot the system. Eh? Reboot the system is actually what I would prefer to have a default setting rather than the other one. But okay, we're not the archinstall developers. Okay, that's it today. No X11 anymore. Oh my god. Depending on the virtual machines, right, you run into issues or not. But these companies, of course, yeah, they have engineers behind it, right? They will make sure that it works. And there you go. Maybe you can do a system full and then go to system settings and tell them there is more to it. I can basically have as maximum this one. It happened to be right on it. Keep. And I got myself a system. What do we get actually? Development, help, internet, nothing really, right? Package wise, information wise, HTOP is there. It's a bit strange. So that's a choice. Dolphin is part of KDE and all that. Right. Voila. So yes, Qemu is working just fine with the script that I've now, well, that I've edited and explained in the other video, the previous video on numbering. So that's cool. I can do my things with that. And if I have some more time, I'll try that the same thing with boxes and see if that works. Cheers.